Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be doing the changing my aligner set, and this is week 8, and this set actually came with a sticker on it. It says, "You've hit the home stretch, fellow grinner. Keep up the good work. You're going to have a smile you'll love before you know it." So yeah, week 8 about to go in. And I forgot last week to put the pictures from the previous to last week, so I'm gonna insert those. Yeah, and then I'm gonna insert the ones from last week and today. So yeah, I'm about to open these. Yeah, my teeth is a drastic change. Like, this tooth was like when I did like that, you could see that shit. It was like bad. Like, but I'm still gonna do a story. Well, tell you why I decided to get Smile Direct Club and what was going on and all that jazz. So this is week 8 aligners. These are the bottoms. These are the tops. So yeah, I'm just gonna put them in. I know these videos will get shorter and shorter, but still tracking my progress, and you will see my progress. So actually fixed my bite because my jaw had shifted when my aligners had when I had lost my first retainers and my teeth started shifting. It actually shifted my jaw, so I had like a little shift to my jaw. But my smile is getting back to where it was. I wasn't playing. I didn't waste 4 years with braces to no thank you. So yeah, enough with all that. Let me put these in. Ooh, these are these are tight. These go. These go be some getting used to. I had to take some Advil, some aspirin tonight. Yeah, cause it's like I know what it's doing. It's shifting that last little bit. Whoa. So yeah, and the bottom ones. The tops never hurt. Like, they used to when I noticed like the way my teeth was shifting back, like how they were, cause my overbite was like coming back. It was just a mess. But my tops really don't hurt. Like, the bottoms don't hurt now. It was just that first click. But I'm gonna have to wear these like for real. Cause one thing about it, if you go like a couple, like too many hours without them, and you put them back in, you feel like the first time again. Okay, tops. Tops in, so, and here you go with the lisp. I have a little lisp until I get used to the size plastic. Then after that, it goes away. Every set, it just feel like the plastic is like thicker. But as the days go by, it gets easier. So, but yeah, and I keep these in for a week. So that means I'll be back next Sunday with another video. Yeah, let me show my hair. Y'all, I did my hair like 3 days ago. And my edge is still laid. Like, let's get into these edges. It's still laid. I have not put no more product on my hair at all. Period. And yeah, because I normally would have been fuzzy. Would have been fuzzy, but I'm not. So yeah. Week 8 of my Smile Direct Club. Yeah. I want to smile. Cause that little tooth, y'all, it had me feeling so. A lot of people was like, that ain't deep. It ain't that big. It's big to me. Cause when your teeth were straight in the first place, and they done went shifting, going all kind of way. No, not more. I don't know about ya, but not more. You in my business. Don't do that. But yeah, it's just me on week 8. And I'm gonna get up out of here. Cause I gotta go feed my kids and get them ready for school in the morning. So yeah, I'll be back at y'all next week with another changing my aligners. Try to get another video out this week. I don't know. We'll see. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on this video. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at JLashaeCreations or Royal Crown Hair Growth Oil. That's my natural ingredients hair care products. But yeah, all that. Make sure y'all follow me. Hit me up. Buy some products. Buy some crochet, some handmade crochet. I do got a website, JLashaeCreations.myshopify.com. All that is in the description. So just drop it down, read it, get up on it, and yeah, so yeah, peace.